Assalamualaikum class 5. How are you all? I hope you guys had a good day at school. All right, bache, what's your homework for this weekend is? Your homework is this picture composition. This is a picture taken from your ORT book, Kipper and the Giant. What you guys have to do, you have to write 5 to 6 points about this picture. You have to write whatever is happening in this picture, whatever this picture depicts, you have to write it in your ORT copies. All right, you have to give the heading of picture composition in your copy, and then you have to write 5 to 6 points of this picture. All right, and if you have any questions related to this, we have discussed this picture in the class, so I hope you guys won't be having any problem while writing it. So if but still, if you have any questions related to it, do ask me, but do ask me today. All right, क्योंकि फिर कल और परसों वीकेंड है, सो आई एम नॉट अवेलेबल ऑन वीकेंड. तो आज ही पूछ लेना वॉट एवर यू गाइज हैव टू आस्क मी. ऑल राइट, एंड ब्रिंग योर कॉपीज ऑन मंडे. आई एम गोना check it. All right, good luck.